Hello friends, my name is Melissa and welcome to Sissa's School. This week in Sissa's School, our theme is fire prevention. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make a math sensory bin to go along with the theme fire prevention. Let's go! All right, so here we have some supplies to make a simple, easy peasy little sensory bin. I have a little fire truck, some blue Play-Doh, a pair of scissors, a Sharpie, some red ribbon, orange ribbon. I couldn't find yellow ribbon, so we got these little shredded paper things. Pipe cleaners, and red, orange, yellow construction paper. Move that out of the way, and a little bin. So, first thing we're going to do is, I'm going to take my paper, fold it in half, and I'm going to cut something that would look like a flame. See that kind of sharp. Go back up. This doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just trying to show you that you can teach at home without having major expenses. It's not very pretty, but it will do the job. So on here, I'm going to write numbers, one number on each one. So this will be 1. This will be 2. 3. 4. 5. And 6. Again, it's not the prettiest. It's homemade, but it'll do the job. So I just want you to see that you can still teach at home on a budget. You can teach your children. You can teach, you can have your at-home daycare and still be able to do a lot with the children on a tight budget, sorry. So here's this, and I'm going with the colors red, orange, yellow, because those are colors that we associate with fire. And then you are just going to cut out all these little ribbon things, so that way you're going to do this. And so we got 2 right here. Find the center and just kind of cut it in half. And spread these out. Give that a cut in the middle. Mix them up. We still have another bit on here. Give that a cut in the center. And give another cut here. Spread those out. And then we're going to move on to the red. Give that a cut in the center. Spread those out and cut them some more if you need to. gonna mix those up and then do it again with the other side. Okay, and then you have your pipe cleaners or Chanel stems. I'm gonna take a few orange, a few yellows, and a few reds. So with these, you just wrap them around. And then pull them off. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. And do that. Just to put some texture in there. Excuse me, just had a little growl thing in my throat. Okay, I'm gonna take that out and do this. I know sometimes when I'm on Pinterest and I'm looking for ideas, sometimes it gets discouraging because you see all these fun work pages, worksheets, and just all these cool like tools and educational toys and whatnot. And if you're on a budget, sometimes Pinterest could be, oh, what's the word I'm looking for? Discouraging, because you see all this really cool stuff and you're like, oh my goodness, I can't afford that. Am I doing my child a disservice? And no, you're not. Because you don't have to have the expensive items. They just want to play. And when they see mom doing this, or they see their babysitter or their teacher making them something, it's really exciting. And they can't wait to play with it. And there's a sense of pride because you did it for them. Sorry about the shake. All right, so there you go. Easy, simple sensory bin. Let's see, that cost, I already had the bin. So these ribbons, $1 each. This was $1. Construction paper, you can get a pack at the dollar store. And these are $1, so that's about $4 or $5 right there. And then Play-Doh, I mean, this one is the Crayola brand, but, and let's see, this little fire truck. So, I mean, you can use some items that you have and, you know, purchase minimal supplies. So then what they do is they root through here and they find a card. Oh, what number is on this flame? This flame has the number 3. So you have your fire truck, ding, 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 ding. He's coming to put out the fire. Blue for water. You take out, and then, so that's the number 3. So we're gonna do 3 little water droplets. 1, 2, and 3. Look, you put out the fire. And you look for another one. Let's do 4. What number? Well, I just said it. The number 4 is on this flame. So we're going to need 4 drops of water to put out this fire. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. There you have it. It's not the prettiest, but it's fun, and that's what your preschoolers want and need. They need to learn while they're having fun. So I hope you enjoyed my little math fire sensory bin. Have a good day. And tomorrow we are going to make a snack, a fire snack. So please tune in tomorrow. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.